What is the largest number, the largest multiple of 12, using all of the digits just once? Well, to be a multiple of 12, so 12 equals 3 times 4. And so as we learned, it has to be both a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 4 in order to be a multiple of 12. So, for example, 36 is indeed a multiple of 3. 3 plus 6 equals 9 divisible by 3, and a multiple of 4. So let's look, and if we look at the numbers, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, the digits rather, plus 4, plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, well, if we pair them up, we get a bunch of 9s, don't we? So 9 and 0, and 1 and 8, and 2 and 7, and 3 and 6, and 4 and 9. So we get these 5 9s, which add up to, well, you can see that we have a bunch of 9s, so that's divisible by 3, and 45, of course, is divisible by 3. And now we just have to figure out how can we arrange these to be divisible by 4 as well. So in other words, no matter how we divide them, they'll be divisible by 3, how we arrange them. And so if we want to get the biggest number, what we want to do then is start with 9. Well, can we just do this? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, that doesn't work because 1, 0 is not divisible by 4. So remember, for 4s, 4 goes into 100, so the only thing we really care about is these last two digits. But that arrangement doesn't work, nor does the arrangement 0, 1. So we're going to have to do something else. So the best thing that we can do, we don't want to move the 0 over to here, so the best thing we can do is to end it in 120. So our answer is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 120, 20 being divisible by 4. So there's your answer.